உழுவார் உலகத்தார்க்கு ஆணி ஆற்றாது எழுவார் எல்லாம் பொறுத்து. This is a beautiful couplet on farmers by the great poet of the Sangam era in Tamil Nadu, Thiruvalluvar. What does he say through this couplet? Do you know? He says that farmer is the linchpin of the world for all the people who do not know to till the land. Do you know what a linchpin is? Haven't you seen a bullock cart? In the bullock cart, there is something, a iron round thing, which connects the wheel to the bullock cart. And that is a very, very important pin. If that pin, that linchpin is out, the wheel comes out and the bullock cart will fall. So important is that linchpin. The same way, the farmer is so important. You agree with me, right? How can we live without food? Yes. So that is how important a farmer is. Now, in a small village, I told you long time ago, the Sangam age, lived Thiruvalluvar and his wife Vasuki. Now, Vasuki was now a bit old and she was not keeping well. Vasuki knew that her end was nearing, but she was not afraid of death because Thiruvalluvar had told her so much about it. There was nothing to fear about death. It has to happen. She never worried about that. But then she had a small doubt, a question to ask Thiruvalluvar. So she called Thiruvalluvar and asked him to sit beside her. She was lying down. And then she said, "Please tell me, why you asked me to keep a pin and a conch shell shank full of water near the banana leaf whenever you had to have your food. And I have been keeping it faithfully every time for the past 20 years without asking why. But I never saw you use that pin or that water any time. Why? I need to know that answer." Thiruvalluvar smiled at Vasuki and said, "Vasuki, you have been such a lovely, beautiful, good wife. If not for you, I wouldn't have been able to write so many poems and couplets. You were with me throughout. And yes, let me explain to you why I needed this. When you serve food on my banana leaf, or when I have my food in the banana leaf, supposing a grain of rice falls onto the ground, I would want to take that grain of rice with a spin, put it into that water in the conch shell, clean it and put it back onto my banana leaf so that it doesn't get wasted and I would eat it." The farmer who is breaking his back, tilling the soil, making these grains, growing the paddy and the grains, and bringing it to our banana leaf to eat for our stomach, for our hunger. I want to give him full respect. I shouldn't waste his labor. Vasuki was so happy. She said, "You are really, really great. You are thinking of a farmer who is nowhere near you. He is in the field growing his paddy and he is bringing the paddy, giving it to the shop, and the shop is bringing it here. I am buying it from them. I am making food for you, and I'm serving food for you. And one grain of rice, you are taking so much interest in that. You are really great. That was Tiruvalluvar for you. He thought of everything, everybody. Isn't it right and relevant even now? That couplet which I said in the beginning, that the farmer is the linchpin in our lives. Without food, where are we? We are nobody. And who brings the food onto our table? The farmers. With their blood, sweat and toil, they are bringing the food to us. That was what Tiruvalluvar was trying to tell us through this couplet, just 2 lines. He had written 1330 couplets. Not only about farmers, he had talked about friendship, he had talked about people, he had talked about politics, he had talked about so many things. Just 2 lines. And all those couplets are so relevant even today. He was a very famous poet, and Tirukkural is one of the most important and very useful set of couplets which are relevant even today. Thank you. I am Parvati Ishwaran, bringing out this series on poets. Thank you.